Welcome back viewers. Now we will see market watch. What is market watch? Okay. So my dear students, we can get market watch from this button on our MT4. Okay. These two arrows, just by clicking on that. Okay. In the market watch, first of all we have market timer. Okay, this one. Okay, this is telling us about time of the market. Now this is forex server time. It is telling us forex server time from start of today. These hours has been gone. Okay, and this is the time of today. Okay, from opening of today market opening 20 hours has been gone. Okay, and this timer is telling us about time of the market. Now our next thing is that symbol. Okay, here we have symbol. Basically these are currency pairs. We have already studied that, okay, in our basic terminologies, but in terms of MT4 these are represented in symbol. Okay, here we have bid price, here we have ask price also, and here are the different symbols of this MT4. Now we will see further details of these symbols also. To get details of these pairs, what we need to do, we will just highlight any one symbol. Okay, for example here I will highlight GBP USD or GBP JPY. Okay, so I will highlight GBP USD and then I will get details of GBP USD. Okay, to get details of GBP USD I have highlighted it, then I will press right click here. Okay, so then a new window will open, and after that I have got these several options. First of all, option is of new order. Okay, so once I am going to click that, I will get option of new order. Okay, so this new order is used for placing a new trade. We have already studied in our basic terminologies. After the new order we have chart window. Just by clicking on new chart, it will open a new chart of GBP USD. Okay, so chart window is used for opening a new chart. So my dear students, tick chart is used for giving the minor representation, very small representation of the market. Okay, and basically some people like scalpers they use it, but it has no important. Okay, and no one is going to use this. Okay, so tick chart is not important. Okay, basically this is a small minor representation of the market, like in form of ECG. Okay, or in the waves. After tick chart we have option of depth of the market. Okay, just on clicking on that we will get details of depth of the market. Here we have option of buy and sell. Okay, closing our trade, setting our stop loss, take profit, etc., but this is not used. Okay, after the depth of the market, now we have option of specification of pair. Okay, so it is telling us about pair details, like here it is telling us spread, it's floating. Okay, it's not fixed. Digits, we have 5 digits of the spread, stop level. Okay, contract size, margin currency, etc., all of details of the of this GBP USD. Okay, and here it has session also, so it has full details of that currency. Now our next option is hide. Okay, basically hide means deleting that pair from our market watch. Okay, and keep in mind that if that pair chart is open here, and if we will click on this hide, then this pair will not be hidden. Okay, so what we need to do to delete or to hide the pair, okay, first of all we need to close its chart. Okay, and then this pair will be hidden. Or if that symbol chart is not open, then that pair will be hidden instantly. Okay, so after hide we have option of hide all. Okay, just by clicking on the hide all, it will hide all of those pairs whose charts are not present on my market watch. Okay, for example if I will click on hide all, so it will hide all of those pairs which chart is not present here. Okay, just by clicking there you will see that it has hidden all of those symbols whose chart is not present. So after hide all, we have option of show all. Just by clicking that, it will bring all of those pairs which this broker is supporting. For example, I will click there. Okay, so it has brought all of those pairs, symbols, assets which this broker is supporting. Okay, after show all, we have option of symbol. Now this is going to be very important for the beginners because they don't know how to add and how to remove pairs from our MT4 market watch. Okay, just to do that, what we need to do, just click on the symbols and then a new window will open. Okay, this window will be in this form. Okay, here we have option of FX standard, exotics, metals, etc, etc. So if we want to add some pairs, like already here I can see all of the pairs. If I want to hide this AUD CAD, okay, what I need to do, just double click on that, or just highlight this pair and then click and show, it will be shown. Okay, or highlight it and then click on hide, it will be hidden. Okay, so for example, if I want to add some more pairs, like in my this market watch, what I need to do, just I will highlight this pair. Okay, and then I will press show. After clicking show, you can see odd and ZD has been added into my market watch. If I want to remove it, what I need to do, just highlight it and then hide. Okay, there we go, so it has been removed. If I want to get any pair back, what I need to do, just highlight it and then click on show. Here we can see we got AUD JPY. Okay, if I want to hide it, then I can hide it. Okay, and then we will press close. Or what we can do, we can just double click on that. Okay, and it will also hide or remove the pair. After that, now in the symbols, we have different options supported from the broker. Like here we have FX standard, exotics, metals, futures, okay, crypto, etc. For example, if I want to select crypto, like here we have option of BTC, Ethereum, etc. So I can select all of those pairs also just by clicking on that, and then here I have got cryptocurrency pairs also. Okay, after symbols we have sets. Now what are the meanings of sets? Basically these are the symbols arranged in the form of sets. Like here, if I am going to click on forex, so it will give me symbols of forex. Okay, like here, then forex all, so I got some more pairs. Then if I want to click on pro, here I got some more pairs. Okay, so these are basically sets of symbols of currency pairs which are used in different forms like forex, forex all, pro, etc, etc. After that, now this option is very important, especially spread. Okay, in selection of forex broker, spread is very important, and you should check this option always on your MT4. Okay, so we have already studied in our basic terminologies that what is spread. Basically the difference between bid and ask price is the spread, and this is the bread and butter of a forex broker. So once I am going to click on that, okay, it will show me spread of that pair. Like here, GBP USD 1.5, GBP JPY 2 pips. Okay, so if I want to make it a little bit big, I will make it. Okay, GBP CHF 3 pips, Euro USD 1 pips. Okay, so here we can see USD JPY spread, all of those pairs spread. Okay, so this option is going to be very important and it should be clicked. Okay, after this spread, now we have option of high and low. This is also very important, especially for the pro traders. Okay, and especially for the intraday traders, this is very important. So for that, what we need to do, just click on high and low. Okay, so it will give us today high and low. Today market of GBP USD high and low also. Okay, so today high of GBP USD was 1.3083 and low was 1.2957. Okay, so it has given me high and low of today sample, high and low of today, okay, of GBP USD. If I want to select any pair like USD JPY, it has given me also. Okay, like Euro USD, it has given me also. So this is very important option. Okay, it should be checked. Okay, high and low should be checked on your MT4 and spread also. Or if you are not going to check on spread, but this high and low should be checked on your market watch. Okay, after that we have option of time. Okay, as we have seen that in the first we have discussed this time, so this is not important. Auto range, it will arrange all the pairs alphabetically. Okay, in auto range this is not important. And then we have option of grid. Okay, in grid, as we can see, there are little bit boxes here. So if I am going to click on grid, so these boxes are now hidden. Okay, so now it is not looking beautiful. So what we need to do, we should check on this grid option also. After that it will give us some boxes and it looks beautiful. So in the end we have option of pop-up prices. So what basically traders do at the end, when they want to hide the market watch, okay, and when they are doing trading on different pairs, so what basically they do, just click on pop-up prices and it will give us a new window. Okay, it will give us a new window. And for example, if I want to hide my market watch, so this window will still appear here and I will see all of my currency pairs. Okay, like here I will see all of my currency pairs. So this pop-up prices box or window is used when you are trading on different pairs and you want to take a look at the prices of different pairs. Okay, just by opening another chart. Okay, so here we can see that also. So now our all options are completed. Now keep one thing in mind, that if I am going to click on this blank space, okay, right click, and then I will get few options here. But if I am going to click by highlighting GBP USD and then right click, then I am going to get different options, more options, full details of that symbol. Okay, but in the blank space less options, in the blank space less options, in the just clicking on symbol I got more options. Okay, so this was the explanation of market watch with full details. Okay.